Most people stay stuck financially in life, not because they're lazy, but because they ignore a few simple rules. If you fix these 5 things, you'll be ahead of 90% of people in just a few years. Stay till the end, as rule number 3 is $1 million tip you can't miss. It will change your finances, so wait for it. I'm a chartered accountant and I work as a financial analyst. Over the years, I've worked with multinational companies, analyzing budgets, forecasting, and optimizing finances. That experience taught me more than any textbook ever could. At one point, moving to a smaller city made me feel limited, fewer opportunities, fewer people pushing me to grow. But through discipline, smart learning, and surrounding myself with the right people, I realized that success isn't about luck, it's about habits, choices, and the environment you create for yourself. Rule number 1 is consistency. Consistency is the foundation of everything, and it's not just showing up. It's about sticking to your plan and finishing what you start. One of the biggest traps is jumping from one idea or project to another without seeing it through. I've been there myself. In the beginning, I started a small clothing business. It shut down within a month. Then I invested in a real estate venture, gave up in just 2 months. Looking back, I thought if I had stayed committed, I might have built something meaningful. That's when I decided not to make that mistake again. I learned to focus on one project at a time, give it time, and see it through, no matter how demotivating it feels at first. Think about J.K. Rowling. She faced multiple rejections but didn't quit her book series halfway. In my FP and a career, there were huge projects that felt overwhelming. It would have been easy to quit or jump to another project, but I stuck to the plan, completed each project fully, learned from feedback, and built credibility. Whatever you're planning, stick to it long enough to see if it works. Discipline and consistency compound into results no one can ignore. Rule number 2. Invest in yourself first, not in savings before investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets. Do yourself a favor, invest in yourself first, learn, earn, and grow. In the beginning, many of you make the same mistake. You start saving and investing before you've actually increased your ability to earn more. It's like putting money into something long term and then wondering why nothing in your life is changing, because the money is now locked. But you haven't upgraded. Before anything else, your first focus should be this: use your money to improve yourself so you can earn more. Learn skills that make you more valuable. Take on work that challenges you. Build abilities that increase your income. Once you do that, your earning power grows, your opportunities grow, your revenue grows. And then saving and investing finally make sense, because now you actually have enough to put aside and let it grow. Learn and earn first, then invest in other assets. Knowledge, skills, and health are your best assets. They never lose value. Rule number 3. Surround yourself with right people. Your environment matters. Your friends, colleagues, and especially your spouse. People who doubt you, complain, or discourage ambition will slowly drain your energy. Those who support and challenge you will push you forward. A friend of mine started a side project while working full-time. His spouse and a couple of close friends encouraged him, helped him analyze problems, and offered solutions without judgment. That support made a huge difference. As a spouse, if you see your partner struggling, notice it. Are you supportive or critical? Small decisions about the people you spend time with compound massively over years. Choose wisely, as your circle shapes your mindset and results. Rule number 4. Learn from winners. Who you learn from determines how fast you grow. Advice only matters if it comes from someone who's actually succeeded. Look at Warren Buffett. He learned from Benjamin Graham. Steve Jobs surrounded himself with visionary thinkers. Copy their systems and habits, not just their ideas. In my professional life, I sought mentors who had successfully led multinational finance teams. Observing their problem solving and decision making gave me shortcuts I could never learn alone. And here's something most people don't realize: not every voice deserves the same weight. Often, the people giving you the loudest advice are the ones who haven't built anything. No money, no experience, no real failures to learn from. Listen to them politely, but don't build your life on their opinions. Surrounding yourself with winners accelerates your growth exponentially. Last rule: track your progress. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you're not tracking where your money goes, you're not managing it, you're guessing. Most people think they have a spending problem, but what they really have is a tracking problem. You can't fix what you can't see. When you start measuring your money, everything becomes clearer. You realize how much you waste on small habits. You see which expenses add value and which don't. Some things genuinely make your life better, while others drain your money without giving anything back. Tracking helps you separate needs, wants, and pure leaks. When you see your numbers clearly, you instantly know whether the problem is spending or simply not earning enough. That awareness pushes you to level up your skills, negotiate better, or explore new income streams. You identify where your income needs to grow. And you finally understand why your savings aren't increasing. Sometimes the issue isn't discipline, it's lack of clarity. When the numbers are in front of you, the reason becomes obvious. Track your money, your skills, and your goals. That tracking allows informed decisions, faster corrections, and better results. Do the same in life. Track savings, career milestones, learning progress, and habits. Small wins become visible, and visible wins compound into huge results over time. Tracking is what separates those who succeed from those who drift along aimlessly. These are the 5 rules that can put you ahead of most people. Discipline, invest in yourself, learn from winners, surround yourself with supporters, and track progress. Start today. Pick one rule to focus on and implement it consistently. Comment below which one you're starting with. Remember, it's not luck alone, it's habits, choices, and discipline that separate the winners from everyone else. If you found this helpful, please subscribe so I can bring you more insights like this. Comment below and let me know which part resonated with you the most. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences too.